I am Gwenaëlle Goude. I am a researcher at the French Scientific Research Institute in France. I am affiliated at the Laboratoire, which is a lab specialized on prehistory and the study of human behaviors. I'm a physical anthropologist, and my studies are more focused on the human diet and the influence of cultural and environment on dietary choices and human behaviors. For the exhibition, I am a collaborator of the Bioarchaeological Laboratory of Belgrade, and my interest is to catch some part of the life of these Mesolithic and Neolithic population living in the Danube Gorges. More particularly, the aim of my collaboration with the scientific of the Laboratory of Belgrade is focused on the children diet and breastfeeding, weaning practices, and also women behaviors, and more particularly all the behaviors that are related to diet, and also the influence of environment on these cultural choices and biological effect of these choices. From several years now, we have new bioarchaeological methods that are applied in routine and that are really relevant to study the diet of past population. It's the study of chemical components of teeth and bone in their archaeological layers, and by using this method, we are able now to track the evolution, the changes of dietary habits of children along life. So my work is more focused on the perinates, babies, and babies from the birth until 7-8 years. So the infants and one part of the childhood. By sampling different parts of the body remains, different part of the tooth and different parts of the bone, and by using a chemical method, we are able to catch some information about what they eat and in which environment. So, for example, on perinates, this kind of information inform on the diet of the mother herself. It's the data we have on the perinates, on the babies in the belly, is linked to the mother habits. So this is a very new way of research developing currently in the world. And the collection of the Danube Gorges, Mesolithic and Neolithic collections, offer a very important opportunity to get such information, past information. Then at birth and until the middle end of childhood, it's really important. Data we got are really important because they give you a story, the dietary story of this baby from the birth, the breastfeeding period, the weaning period, and the beginning of their adult-like periods. Weaning and breastfeeding are mother choices. So catching this information give a great interest about the mind of the society on the mothers and their constraint, the constraint of the mothers to breastfeed and to wean the baby. For example, we are looking at the difference of behaviors, mothers' behaviors, inside the Danube Gorges and outside the Danube Gorges, or at the entrance of the Danube Gorges. Where the environments are different and where we can expect also different behaviors. Then for the moment, we have a very, very important results on the difference of breastfeeding and weaning practices between the Mesolithic, the hunter-gatherer societies, and the first agro-pastoralist societies who decide to breastfeed during a shorter period and wean the baby quite quickly after the breastfeeding in order to increase the fertility rate of mothers. Initially, it was a theoretical aspect we wanted to test, and our results are really going on this way and supporting on these assumptions.